What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up on yourself and my viewers and subscribers. Big up, you know, you don't know, so the attacking boss there. The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. You see it? And I mean, say attack. Some people, you are going now. Because we just want to adjust this thing and talk about this thing. You see me? Because you know, say today upon a Wednesday, which is the 29th of May 2024, my people. Me I record that video. And them said tomorrow, which is Thursday, the 30th of May 2024. When Vybz Kartel and them co-accuse them, you understand, Sean Storm, Andre St. John, Kyra Jones, you understand, even though them say one of them couple different things upon him, you know what I mean, so theme thing kind of different on a level. But you don't know, say tomorrow, them say shall be the day where the Supreme Court shall talk, you know what I mean, and make we know if Kartel, them go let him out, or what go happen, you see me? And my people, for tell you the truth, me there, me a hold the faith. You understand? Me just a hold the faith. You know, say, from when Privy Council do them thing, me drop my live, drop my video, my people, and whole heap of things talk, whole heap of things release, and me just not put no upload pertaining to the topic, me just build. You see me? But because me don't know, say them say tomorrow is the day, my people, me a do that vlogger right now. And one of the main reason why me a do that vlogger is to see the 8 where some man does a push towards Kartel, and for sure say some boy, some vlogger, be no response to nobody, you know, because I'm not fronting this. You understand? I just wicked, yo. I just wicked. You see me? Because this politics thing, you know, my people, honestly, I'm not afraid of it talk, yo. This man just have a big hatred to Kartel for some reason. I don't know why. Why? The man forward, you know, after them release that, and I say, yo, like him, man, I say Kartel for dead at prison, I got dead in a prison, them now gonna let him out, and this and that. You see me? My people, I'm talk this all the while, yo. Some man just hate Vybz Kartel for no reason at all. Because you can't have a reason for hate Kartel. What kind of reason you could have? Because the last time I asked you, I say, no, Kartel must did take one of your girl from you back then. You understand that hatred they have for him? You see me? I must that me have to pray. Then me have to look back and say, no, that couldn't be it. You see me? I just hate the man for nothing at all. Because there's everything happen. You just have something negative to add on for Kartel. Even though when them release and show you say you have lack of evidence, lack of proof, you just attack things without facts about the man, you still a forward and still a drop. Because what? You're there behind curtains, so you can always start this and start that. You see me, people? And I really love my people. For sure, everybody know that I'm a Vybz Kartel fans. I love Vybz Kartel music. You understand? Me rate the artist as a person. You know what I mean? No joke about it. Let the people do them thing and them say these things. Every time I do a topic on Kartel and show my support and love them say, NEWLINK, yeah, support murder, yeah, this, yeah, that. You understand? And my question to them is, do you have any proof that Vybz Kartel is a murderer? What the proof you don't have? Zine, more than on hear some things and them do incarcerate him, and then the man comes to boom, go Privy Council, and what happened? Privy Council comes to boom, squash that, fling that down at Jamaica for Jamaica decided on it, my people. You understand? That's what Privy Council did, you know? Zine, my people, I cannot be the judge tomorrow, or who are going to be the ruler, or who are going to let the win or the fate, or whatever. But all I can do is just hope and pray, and me want the best, you understand? And me want Vybz Kartel for free up. Big man thing. Sean Storm, Kyra Jones, Andre St. John. Me want them free up pertaining to where them get incarcerated for with the matter with Clive Lizard Williams. Because everything they just messed up people, and it's not joke. Nobody blind to it. You understand? And when we are looking at the thing, I say this all the while, is that the first I say, don't judge a person by the way them dress, the way them attire themselves, not because of the music where them sing, but do one or do have a real facts, real proof, real evidence before no forward and decide. So look at now, Vybz Kartel you this, Vybz Kartel you that, I have this bugger thing to say. Just always deal with the thing that we are the people. Because number one, you know, my viewers and subscribers, but I really want me can't forward, you know, and say, yo, boom, Kartel this, Kartel. You understand? And still, but what cause you know why me can't slap my people? Because there was no full proof. There was so much things tampered with all this, I will say it over and over. But tomorrow, me not being a judge right now, me not being a lawyer right now. My people just talk off of what me know. You understand now what me feel to happen, my people. Honestly, look into this. Tomorrow. And I hope whoever make the ruling, what them do, them do it the realest way. Because they must decided upon that already. You know. Them don't know what happened, people. In the end, if they shall say them going to keep Vybz Kartel in there, why taxpayer money are going to burn up? See? Because everything are going to go back to square one. And for a trial again, my people, it are going to cost the country millions of dollars. Even though them are going to have a faster process of dealing with it, my people, but it's still going to cost the country a lot of money. You see me? Because number one, my people, when them look into the thing, you know, and this is what me always say, I say it again, them must not pray the man because him name Vybz Kartel, not because I music where him sing, not because him say Gaza. Because if they shall pray the man because of that, well, them have to pray 90% of dancehall. Because every dancehall artist nowadays are bust with them clang. You understand? Them have them tattoo. Them sing them type of music there. So what? You understand, my people? So them for just deal with this thing the real and righteous way. And the righteous way is for tomorrow. Them free up Vybz Kartel and them co-accuse them, my people. Free them up. Give the man bail. You understand? Because me personal, my people, me have champagne pan bottles, you know. Ready to go pop them up in a celebration time, you know, my people. You understand? Me have money put aside, you know, I said this away, you know. Vybz Kartel first show I keep me did the sign, you know, my people. Me have them things they put aside, you know. You understand? Because honestly, people, I want to see the world boss forward. I want to see the world boss come do back in music. Wish me know say my do while he's incarcerated. But I want to see the Vybz Kartel. You understand? I want to see things go the realest. So, all the teacher haters them, all the cartel, bad mind people them who go against him. Now, I want to see him forward. You know what me I say? Looking on yourself, be real to the thing. You understand? Stop go around the thing. Getting yourself ready, getting yourself prepared. You understand? Let this be something memorable, which it's going to be. This going to be history, my people. You understand? Because I can't tell you this, Shama, art, my people. You understand? And I'm so confident that Vybz Kartel will be a free man. You understand? We shall know, and it will happen on Thursday, May the 30th, 2024, my people. A DJ Palmer Vybz Kartel. You understand? People, the world, Africa, Europe, the whole globe, get ready for this moment. You understand? For the bad mind them, the haters them, who want to see world boss steer this up and turn in this up, I want to make you tell you, you know, you not going to keep it to yourself. And let me just say this personally. And you see, if they want to play corrupted, if they want to play corrupted and play 30, well, my people, we Jamaican people are going to face it. Meaning, it's going to cost our taxpayers them a bag of money. Because everything will go back to square one. Everything, my people. And that's when we are going to know that our country is really corrupted. We don't want to fall in that trap where the world are going to pray and say, oh, you know what I mean? This was really corruption. How them deal with Vybz Kartel. It was not good. Them for the little thing, the really and the righteous way. Because the man has just done so much time as an innocent man in prison. You understand? They were all innocent. Because, number one, without full proof and evidence, you have a man and put guilty upon him. You can't put guilty upon him without proof and evidence. You understand? You're there behind time. So, in the end, my people, as me can say, let this be a special moment. You understand? Get ready, my people. Get ready. I'm ready, you know. I'm ready, my people. I'm ready for this moment. When I say I'm ready, my people. I'm ready. I'm ready. Vybz Kartel, a DJ Palmer, world boss. Yo, I'm ready, people. I just can't wait for this moment. You understand? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Yo, the world, especially down in Africa there, the whole Trinidad, you know what I mean? The whole Jamaica, the whole Caribbean, USA, Europe. I know no feel, I know now wait for this moment. It's going to be epic. It's going to be special. But people, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect, and just get ready. Peace out and stay safe. And remember to just subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Vybz Kartel. Freedom is a must. Peace out.